In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove site permissions from your Gmail account. So if you've not been visiting this site, but then you've logged them in your Gmail, I'm going to show you guys how to remove that automatically. So there is a setting here. So hop on your Chrome like this. This is my Chrome browser here. So I tap on the three bars there for the menu and I move to my settings. So on my settings, I just scroll down here and then I tap on the site settings here. And on here, I'm going to get all the, permissions on site you visit with your Chrome. So now let's scroll to the bottom here and you can see this here, automatically remove permissions that promotes your data. Let Chrome remove all these permissions. So now turn it on. You can see it's on here. So if yours is off, try to turn it on. So I turn it on like this and that's it. So if you visit some sites and you give them access to your Gmail account, but then you've not been visiting the site for some time now, Google is going to remove their permissions, and when you hop on the site again, they'll ask you to create another account again. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.